Thank you for taking of us. I love you.
Why don't you try?
Sal, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. And another year. God bless. And more blessings to come. Especially the family and the grandchildren. Nasa Boracay lang ko, mga 3 hours flight lang. Okay, happy birthday. Bye.
There's no better friend in this world than a sister. And no sister in the world is better than you. So, happy birthday. God bless you always and see you soon. Now, your 60th birthday na. Ako, 25 years old lang ko. So, happy birthday, te, and na, you wish always come true naman eh. Na-achieve mo yung goal mo. So, happy birthday, and see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mama Sally!
Happy birthday, Mama Sally.
Happy birthday, Mama Sally.
Hi, Mama Sally. Happy 60th birthday. Salamat kayo sa tanan-tanan na imong gibuhat sa amua, sa akua, ug sa pamilya. You've been the pillar of our family for a long, long time. Og salamat kaayo sa mga sakripisyo na imong gibuhat. I am so thankful and grateful that nakakadiha always dili lang para sa imuhang pamilya kundi para sa kuwapod. You stood as my aunt, you stood as my friend, you stood as my mom. Hilak mo sa tawi. Okay, continue. Okay, thank you guys sa tanan sa imuha. I thank God for your life. Kay nakapirminti diha para sa kuha sa mga importante na mga panahon. Nakakadiha. You've always been there during my graduation, my prom. Sa tanan, kung kailangan ako tabang, kung kailangan ako og someone na pagsuporta sa kuha, nakakadiha pirminti. I always appreciate all that you have done. Wala, uy! Ay, bitaw. You've always been the strong woman that I knew. And I know that you'll always be that strong. Okay? Sana lang kung di ta mag-strong, no? Ay, malala kayo. But anyway, Mama Sally, I'm just so thankful and grateful for all the things that you have done, not just for me, but for everybody. Thank you so much for all the sacrifices, and thank you so much for all the love, for the support, and for the care. May God always bless you with long life, good health, and thank you for always taking care of the family. I always look up to you. Me and Vince are always grateful for you for all the things that you have done for the two of us, and for always being there whenever, we needed some help. I needed help. I need someone to talk to. Thank you for always listening and giving me some good advices even before, during my teenage years. I know that I can keep secrets with you, and I know that I can always trust you. Thank you so much, Mama Sally. May God, that's what I've said, may God always bless you and, bless you abundantly. And yeah, I miss you, I love you, and thank you, happy birthday!